when you make decisions, go all in on them and move on from the decision that you agreed to move on from. Period. Welcome to the BAM podcast. That's right, BAM, business and money instead of bitching and moaning. This is the 2.0 version of the Top 3 podcast, True Underdog. Talk about how to move on from issues, how to move on from obstacles, how to move on from mistakes, how to move on from struggles, anxiety, depression, anger. You know, we always come into these decisions. Do we go left? Do we go right? Do we go A? Do we go B? What door closes? What door opens? How do we get through that? Or you're staying because of the finances, or you're staying because of family and it's the right thing to do and you don't want to be judged. And the new door isn't a new relationship. New door is working on you. Because if you're getting out of a relationship, more than likely got some damage you got to deal with, right? You're gonna be heartbroken. You're gonna be sad. You're gonna feel alone. You're gonna feel lonely. You're going to feel neglected. You're gonna feel unwanted. If you don't like what you see in the mirror, you got to fix that. First of all, you got to like what you see in the mirror, but you got to say, hey, I like what I see, but I can be better. You now got to build a relationship with yourself again because you've been with somebody. Then the second door opens is somebody else. Perfect. I own that. I'm not perfect, but what do I do with that? Well, I try every day to be better. I talk about it all the time. AGB, always getting better. I don't think every relationship is perfect. God knows mine isn't. We've hit bumps, bruises, everything you can think of. We've gone through the shit. Okay, we are not perfect. Holy shit. So far from it. But I can tell you that when you love marriage and relationships, it's like a roller coaster, up and down, right? It's, whoo, things are great. Shit is bad. Ooh, things are great. Shit is bad. Your relationships, you're going to grab a pen and paper and you're going to write down the positives and the negatives if you're questioning certain relationships. Friends, family, marriages, doesn't matter. You're going to write them out. And then you're going to fucking make a decision.